Hey guys, so I keep on getting asked if I curl my hair while it's wet or while it's dry. And the answer is that I always start with dry hair. But that being said, I do usually add a little bit of water to my hair to help set the curls. But you have to be careful how much you add. Only add enough moisture that is able to dry during the time that you're gonna have your curlers in your hair. So for myself, I like to just take my brush, run it under a little bit of water, and brush that through. And that's gonna be enough moisture that will help set my curl, but have enough time to dry during the time that I have my curlers in. Hopefully this helps. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Okay guys, so I've had these curlers in now for a couple of hours and I just feel them and make sure that they feel dry. They do feel dry, so I'm going to take the curlers out. If they don't feel dry because you've used some water, if you take them out and they are feeling damp, then you'll probably not have great results. So one option that you could do if you want is to blow dry it before you take it out. It won't be heatless curls anymore if you do that, but it's probably still a gentler option for your hair than using a 450-degree flat iron. So if you did go a little too crazy on the water and you do feel dampness, then you can definitely leave your curlers in longer or use your blow dryer to dry them out before you take your curlers out.